Let me walk you through the structure of the PMdistilled e-guide. Uh, the PMdistilled e-guide structure. It starts with module 1. There, the emphasis is on explaining the system's approach to project management. So, project doesn't exist in a standalone mode. It coexists with a lot of other systems. So, the objective of this module is to explain the environment in which the project has to operate. A fair understanding of this will help project professionals to manage projects better. Then the emphasis is on predictive project management. So, starting from module 2 to module 4, the focus is on predictive project management. In module 2, we cover project initiation and planning. In module 3, we focus on project execution. And in module 4, the focus is on monitoring, controlling, and closing. Then we move on to module 5. There, the focus is on agile and hybrid project management. Here we'll discuss about agile project management in detail, starting with agile family, Scrum, then additional agile concepts and hybrid project management. Then there is a exclusive module on module 6 focuses on AI use cases in projects. So there is a new addition to the project management body of knowledge version 8. So we'll be discussing about application of AI or the possibilities of application of AI in projects. And then we move on to module 7. There we'll be discussing about general tools and techniques which can be used in different project scenarios. And in module 8, we'll be discussing about project management tools like the scheduling tools, project management information systems, interface with the EPC, etc. Then by the time we complete module 8, you would have gained complete knowledge of professional project management according to the project management body of knowledge. Then we focus on, if you are keen to go for PMP certification, the module 9 focuses on the nitty-gritties of the PMP certification. And in module 10, we'll do a lot of exam practice. So the strategy is, if you're going for PMP certification, the strategy is first you gain a solid foundation of project management according to the project management body of knowledge standard, which is globally accepted. And once you get the foundation correct, then it becomes very easy to prepare for the PMP certification. All we need to do is to understand the exam pattern and then do some practice tests, and then you can go for the final exam. If your objective is just to master predictive project management, then straight away focus on modules 2, 3, and 4. And if your objective is to master agile project management, then straight away you can start with module 5. There we talk about agile and hybrid. So that's how it is structured. If you have to use this PMdistilled e-guide for the PMP certification, then if you can put in approximately around yeah, 20, 25 hours, if you can budget, you should be able to go through the entire program. And we have our PM Distilled training programs, which will take you through the entire PM Distillery guide and will make you ready for the final exam as well. Thank you.